NotebookLM just quietly became one of the most powerful free research tools on the internet, and most people are still using it like it is 2 years ago. What if you could take a pile of documents, reports, or transcripts and pull out a structured comparison table in seconds, generate 4 completely different audio breakdowns, and configure the AI to think exactly like a specialist you hired, all for free? That is what Google just made possible inside NotebookLM, and I am going to walk you through every single update and show you how to turn this into a real service people will pay for. Hey, what is going on? I am Paul James, and on this channel, we focus on one thing: using free AI tools to build actual businesses. No fluff, no hype, just the real stuff. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go High Level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Now let me set the stage here. Research work is one of those tasks that small business owners and content creators dread. You gather a bunch of sources, you try to pull insights together, and 2 hours later, you are still copying and pasting things into a document that barely makes sense. Bigger agencies have teams for this, people starting out do not. That gap is where the real opportunity lives, and that is exactly what this NotebookLM update is designed to close. Here is the core problem the old version had. When you loaded up a large notebook with dozens of sources, the AI would only grab pieces of what you uploaded. It was working from a small slice of your material, which made the answers feel shallow and generic. More sources actually made things worse because the tool could not hold everything at once. Google just changed the engine underneath NotebookLM entirely. The amount of material it can hold in a single working session jumped by roughly 8 times. On top of that, it can now carry the thread of a long conversation roughly 6 times further before it starts losing the plot. What that means in practice is that when you ask a question, the answer is pulling from your full library, not a random chunk of it. The accuracy difference is immediately noticeable, especially if you have been frustrated with vague responses in the past. Here is where things get interesting. Now I want to give this a framework name because it changes how you think about the tool. I call it the specialist stack method. The idea is simple. Instead of letting NotebookLM respond like a general AI, you configure it from the inside out so every output matches a specific professional role. You are not just asking questions. You are building a custom expert inside the tool for each project. Here is how that works in practice. NotebookLM has always had a settings area where you could write a short instruction telling the AI how to behave. The old version gave you a tiny character limit, barely enough for 1 or 2 sentences. You could say something like act as a marketing analyst, and that was roughly it. Google just expanded that instruction field from 500 characters all the way up to 10,000. That is a 20 times increase, and this single change is the one that unlocks the specialist stack method entirely. With 10,000 characters of instruction space, you are not writing a prompt. You are writing a job description. Think about that for a second. You can tell NotebookLM exactly who it is, how it should structure every response, what kind of sources to prioritize, when to flag contradictions, and what format to follow every single time. You can tell it to lead with a quick summary, then go deeper, then raise questions the research does not answer. Every output becomes formatted, disciplined, and specific to your exact workflow. Stay with me because this next piece changes what you can actually deliver to a client. Before these updates, the audio feature inside NotebookLM only had one option. It would generate a long conversational breakdown between 2 AI voices discussing your material. That was useful, but it was one size fits all. Now there are 4 distinct formats to choose from. The first is a brief summary, a quick 1 to 2 minute audio overview that gives you the highlights without the full session. Perfect for scanning material before committing to a deep dive. The second is a critique format, where the 2 voices analyze your sources and flag what is weak, what is missing, and where the logic breaks down. If you are prepping a report for a client, running a critique before you hand it over catches gaps you would otherwise miss. The third is a debate format, where your sources get argued from 2 opposing angles. This is surprisingly useful when your research covers multiple perspectives that conflict. Instead of reading through everything and building the comparison yourself, the tool just does it out loud for you. And of course, the original deep dive format is still there. All 4 formats accept custom instructions, so you can steer the tone, the focus, and the length. I remember when I was first building my business out of my brother's garage and trying to put together research briefs for early clients. I was doing everything manually, pulling quotes, building tables, editing for hours. A tool like this would have cut that work down by a wide margin. Most people overlook this next part entirely. NotebookLM also added a brand new output type called data tables. Before this, if you needed to compare information across multiple sources in a structured way, you had to manually pull things out of chat, copy them somewhere, fix the formatting, and hope nothing got scrambled. Data tables lets you describe exactly what you want to compare, and NotebookLM builds a clean, structured table pulled directly from your uploaded material. You can then export it straight to Google Sheets in one click. For anyone building competitive analysis reports, product comparisons, or research summaries, this is hours of work gone. The visual output side of NotebookLM also got a serious upgrade. You can now choose the orientation of any infographic it generates, wide, tall, or square, and set the level of detail from high level to fully detailed. But the real shift is that you can describe the visual style you want using plain language. You are not stuck with a default look. You describe it and the tool follows your direction closely. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Now here is the money angle, because this is where it gets practical. Imagine you are a freelancer offering content and research services to small businesses. Your client runs an online store and wants to understand how their competitors are positioning their products. You pull in product pages, reviews, and marketing materials from 5 different competitors as sources inside NotebookLM. You configure the tool using the specialist stack method, writing a detailed instruction, telling it to act as a competitive intelligence analyst, and format everything as a structured breakdown with clear categories. You generate a data table comparing features, pricing angles, and customer language across all 5 brands. You export that table to Google Sheets, clean it up slightly, and deliver it as a polished competitive analysis. That is a service businesses pay for regularly, and you built the whole thing using a free tool. That same workflow applies to content creators producing research-heavy videos, agency owners building client reports, or anyone getting paid to organize and present information. NotebookLM makes you look like you have a research team behind you, even if you are working alone. Here is the last piece most tutorials skip right past. Google connected NotebookLM to the Gemini app. That means you can take a notebook you have already built inside NotebookLM with all your curated sources and use it as the foundation for a project inside Gemini. Instead of starting from scratch and relying on generic AI training data, Gemini pulls from your verified, organized research. You can also build what Google calls custom gems around your notebooks, which are basically specialized AI assistants rooted in your specific source material. Research happens inside NotebookLM where it stays grounded and accurate. Execution and creation happen inside Gemini where you have access to broader AI capabilities. That combination is genuinely powerful for anyone building a service business. Picture what your workflow looks like 30 days from now. You have a research process that takes you a fraction of the time. You are delivering more polished outputs. You are taking on more clients or creating better content because the heavy lifting is handled. That is not hype. That is what happens when you actually learn to use a tool like this correctly. Google built something here that most people are still treating like a basic search assistant, but if you treat it like a configurable specialist using the specialist stack method, it becomes something completely different. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.